Hey guys, so for today's 12 days of tutorials, I created this very silvery, smoky, glam look and I used the ColourPop Stone Cold Fox palette. To me, this would be like a perfect New Year's Eve look. Very bold, very pretty and silvery. So if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep on watching. You guys know I like to show you the results here. So for ColourPop, it was really close. You can see Stone Cold Fox here got the most votes, and then At Foresight got the second most votes, which I already did that video. So lots of people love to see ColourPop palettes. And then I was looking on my channel and I realized I've only done one video with this palette. I thought I've done like a couple videos with it because it is such a gorgeous, cool tone palette. So honestly, I'm sorry I haven't done more videos with it, but let's do another one today. So I think I want to do something pretty smoky today, especially I have new hair, which I'll show you guys later. So let's get started. I'm going to start with the shade Rumor Mill on a Sigma E25. And I'm just going to go straight in with this shade in my crease. Now I'm going to pick up Enigma on the same brush, and I'm going to use this shade to blend out the harsh edges kind of right under my brow. Now I'm going to take a Sigma E54 with more Rumor Mill, and I'm going to pack that on the outer half of my eye. Now I'm going to switch to a Sigma E27. This is a smaller blending brush in the shade Drama Mama. And I'm going to use this shade to really deepen up the outer half of my lid and into my outer crease. Told you guys we're going really smoky, and don't worry, you can be kind of sloppy because I'm going to clean this up later with a makeup wipe. Now I'm going to go back to that E25 with a little more Enigma on it, and again I'm just going to soften all these edges just a little bit. Now I'm going to take I Dig It on a Sigma E58, and this shade's going to go on the blank part of my lid. And I'm going to use this flat brush to almost kind of make like a half cut crease, like if I were to do it with concealer, but instead I'm just doing it with the eyeshadow. Now I'm taking a Sigma E33 with nothing on it, and I just kind of softly blended around that shimmer. Now I'm going to take this really pretty shade Magnetic Moon on the same E58, and I'm not going to place this shade on the lid. I'm going to place it a little higher, kind of in my inner crease. This is such a gorgeous, like, true silver color. I feel like this is kind of turning into like a New Year's Eve makeup look, but I'm not mad about that. This is so pretty. All right, because these eyes are turning so dramatic, I'm gonna do a winged liner. So I'm gonna take my favorite, which is the Haus Labs Liner in Punk. So I want my wings to look super black, so I'm gonna go on top of them with the black eyeshadow. So I'm gonna take Rock Bottom from the palette on a little angled brush, and I'm just going right on top of my wing. And then with this little bit of shadow right here that's kind of peeking out from the wing, just taking a little makeup wipe and I'm just gonna lightly clean up this area. Doesn't need to be perfect, but I just want to get rid of some of this. Then you can like take your finger and kind of like blend that out, you know? Now I'm gonna go do my face makeup off camera and then we'll finish up the eyes together. All right, let's finish up the lower lash line. So I'm gonna take more Rumor Mill on the tip of my E54 and I'm gonna run that along my entire lower lash line. Now I'm going to take a Sigma E33 with more Enigma, and I'm going to use this to soften up the lower lash line. Now I'm going to line my waterline with black. I'm going to use my Haus Labs Gel Kohl Liner in Punk. And then taking the tip of the E54 and just lightly smudging out that black, kind of pulling it downwards. Now I'm just gonna pop on a little bit of my face highlighter. I'm wearing Makeup by Mario Pearl. Putting that in my inner corner and a tiny bit under my brow. Now I'm gonna go pop on some mascara and lashes and I'll show you the full look. All right, my lashes are on. Today I went with a pretty full lash, so I'm wearing my brand, The Bright Lashes, of course, and the style is Lush. I switched up my lipstick today. I'm not wearing Urban Decay or my go-to Huda Beauty. I'm wearing the Smashbox lipstick in Level Up. It's still a nude, obviously, but it's a little darker than the two I've been wearing. And then I popped on the Sigma lip gloss in Brilliance on top. And this is the final look all done. The eyes are so glamorous. I would totally call this like a New Year's Eve makeup look if you like to wear kind of silver eyeshadow for that. If you had like a silver glitter, I know like Urban Decay has really good glitter liners. Pop that on top right here in the center. Perfect for New Year's. It'd be beautiful. But can we talk about my hair really quick? So here's what happened. I've been wanting to dye my hair darker, like almost black, for the last like maybe month or so. So I've been slowly going darker and darker. And I'm not a professional at all, but I've been dabbling in like doing my hair at home. I got some products from Sally Beauty. So the other night I wanted to fix my money pieces with how my brown hair was like in my last video. And so I lightened my money pieces and I toned them, but they still just looked way too brassy. And I didn't really know how to fix it, but I knew I wanted to dye all this hair darker. So I got a 3N. So all of this darkness is a 3N. And then I was like, let's put purple on the money pieces. So this is just like a 4VV on my money pieces. I don't know how well it's gonna show up on camera. In some lighting, it looks all right. So pretty much just like these two pieces are purple right now. The rest is just super dark brown. I really like having dark hair. I like to switch it up. I like being blonde, dark, any color. Like, it's just fun to change things up, you know? But it's kind of fun to have a fun color in my hair again, because I used to dye my hair so many crazy colors. I was full on purple back in like 2015, 2016. I was blue. But the last like 4 years, I've kept it all like neutral colors, but it's just fun to have like a little pop of purple. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that you're liking my 12 days of tutorials so far. We are almost done. So thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.